your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
We're storm free again today, and we'll hold on to that dry weather, it looks like, through most, if not all, of the daylight hours tomorrow. So the stormy weather, when it returns, will happen after dark and then continuing into Friday night. Outside right now, still dark out. The roadways are dry. The sky's mostly clear, and there's no precipitation on live Doppler radar. We'll keep our threat tracker low for today and Friday. Friday night, though, we've got a period of heavy rain, some embedded thunderstorms, potential for some strong winds, and we'll talk more about the impacts and amounts that we're expecting to see. So that's the time frame here in the next few days. We're most concerned about the weather. We have another storm early next week in the Tuesday time frame. That one looks like another round of heavy rain for us. Upper 40s in Newport, westerly right now, 44 in Providence. Feels like the upper 30s in Smithfield. Actual air temperature low 40s, and the winds are diminishing, but they're still breezy along the coastline. Newport, Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, all sustained winds over 10 miles per hour. High pressure building in, though that high is going to help to relax the winds. We've had some clouds clipping our area overnight. Those are now moving further offshore. You can see some unsettled weather down across the southern parts of the United States, and some of this activity going to get organized to become our next round of precipitation. So let's time it out for you. Clear skies this morning and into this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, lighter winds today. It's a nice day for us. 11 o'clock tonight and into the nighttime hours, holding on to mostly clear skies. We're in the 30s when you wake up tomorrow morning, so it's a chilly start, but we're dry during the day and the clouds on the increase heading into the afternoon. By the time the rain arrives, our temperatures are in the 40s, and so there's no threat of any wintry weather locally. Notice up in northern New England, it could get a couple of inches of snow before changing to sleet and then eventually rainfall Friday night. For us, it's heavy downpours that are the main concern, and already falling into a pretty soggy ground after all of the rain we've picked up over the last few weeks. So the concern is going to be for some localized street and port drainage flooding. We also are watching for possible thunderstorms embedded within that could have the potential to cause some damaging winds. So let's talk about rainfall amounts. This is just one computer model's take, but it shows that potential for 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall. That heavy rain, again, could lead to some street and port drainage flooding. We'll keep an eye on rivers and streams as well, which have been running high. So the timing, we're dry before 5 o'clock. Heaviest of it looks to be between, say, 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. with 1 to 2 inches of rain. The winds could gust from the east-southeast as high as 35 to 50 miles per hour, especially in any thunderstorms. That's where we'd be prone to some wind damage or some power outages. That's for later tomorrow evening. Today, dry and cool this morning. In the afternoon, our temperatures into the lower to mid 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, about 53 to 55 in Providence, East Providence, and Seekonk. Fall River near 52, New Bedford, Westport, low to mid 50s. This evening, it's chillier. Noticing those temperatures dropping to about 40 by 11 o'clock. We're still in the 50s yesterday evening at that time, so those overnight lows all the way down to about 36. That probability of rain remains low tomorrow up until the evening hours. So make those plans for Friday evening and night. Know that it'll be stormy as the evening goes on, about 52 degrees. Weekend still looks dry. Gusty winds on Saturday near 50 degrees, but it'll feel like it's much colder than that, and the temperatures will actually drop into the 40s. Sunday's dry and clear. Chilly start Sunday morning, and another storm Tuesday with